Welcome back. 7:09 now. Knock on wood, it's been a relatively quiet hurricane season so far, but that could change quickly.
And we are entering what is traditionally the busiest part of the season. And experts from Duke University sharing their insight on community planning for hurricanes. They say while many communities have ideas on how to improve their infrastructure to be more resilient to storm damage, a number of things stand in the way, such as financial resources and other community needs. But one of the biggest obstacles is the rush to recover after a storm hits.
But when the storm hits, those plans and those creative ideas tend to go out the window because they really just want to get the road back in order to be able to access essential services. They just want to be able to clear the sand as quickly as possible so they can get back to school and get access to critical healthcare facilities.
The group of experts from Duke says communities should focus on making improvements and doing things differently when they are not under the stress of storm recovery.
So let's talk to meteorologist Quaylen Murphy. It has been a quiet season so far.
So far, but we do have some disturbances that we're tracking. Both of those are still well west of us and over the Atlantic waters at this time. One has to still come off the African coast. That will likely happen today. It will continue tracking west over the far eastern Atlantic waters. Low chance for development over the next 2 to 5 days. This disturbance is marching towards the Caribbean Sea, where it has a low chance to develop over the next 2 to 5 days. But I think this one offers more opportunity for tropical development, especially into next week. So that's something we'll monitor. We also have to watch those low pressure systems that could potentially develop near our coastline as cold fronts come off our coast. So in the short term, we could be seeing some impacts, not impacts, but maybe some activity offshore next week. Look